In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up monday.com so your team actually uses it. To get started, head over to monday.com and create an account if you haven't already. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is choose a workspace name. This could be something descriptive like marketing team or client projects. A well-chosen name helps everyone immediately understand what the workspace is focused on. Now, don't forget to invite your team members. Collaboration is key, and having everyone in one place will make managing projects much more efficient. Next, let's move on to creating a new board. Boards are essentially the heart of your project management on monday.com. They're where all your projects, tasks, and workflows will live. You have the option of choosing a template that suits your needs like project management, CRM, or content calendar. If none of these seem to fit perfectly, you can also start from scratch with a blank board. Once you have your board, give it a meaningful name that relates to your project, such as Website Redesign Project. After you've set up your board, it's time to add groups and tasks. Think of groups as categories or phases of work like to do, in progress, or completed. Within these groups, you can add specific tasks or items. For example, under the to-do group, you might have tasks like design mockups, write blog copy, and set up email automation. These tasks will help break down your project into actionable steps. To keep everything organized, you'll want to add columns to your board. These columns are crucial for tracking the details of your tasks. Some common types include people, for assigning tasks to team members, status, to keep track of task progress with options like not started, working on it, or done, date for setting deadlines, and priority to mark what needs immediate attention. Feel free to customize these columns to fit your workflow needs. With your board set up, the next step is to update and track progress daily. Encourage your team members to regularly update the status of their tasks. Using comments within each task can streamline communication and keep everything in context. You can also attach files, links, or add notes directly to tasks to centralize all your project-related information. For even better clarity, utilize different views offered by monday.com, like the main table view for a straightforward task list, Kanban view for a visual board experience, calendar view for deadline-oriented planning, and timeline or Gantt view to track schedules and task dependencies. Finally, you can automate repetitive tasks to save time and ensure consistency. Set up automations like moving a task to the completed group once it's marked as done to streamline your workflow and free up time for more pressing tasks. Implementing these steps will make sure your team not only adopts monday.com but uses it effectively to maximize productivity and teamwork.